Hello everyone, welcome to my balcony garden. Today I am sowing sweet peas into pots, starting them off in these 9cm pots here, and I'm then going to eventually plant them outside into the forever pots. Sweet peas are these unbelievably beautiful and fragrant flowers. Very popular, very easy to grow as well. So let's get started. So we are in March now, so I'm doing a spring sowing. You can also sow sweet peas in autumn, let them emerge and germinate, overwinter them, and then they actually can take off much quicker when you do sow them in autumn, once they've established themselves the previous season, and then when the warmer weather comes in spring, they just take off. However, I wasn't that organized, so I'm sowing in spring. So as I've already mentioned, I've got these 9cm deep pots ready. I've filled them with a really good quality peat-free multi-purpose compost. And just a little tip for when you're sowing, because I know we're all sowing a lot at the moment. Whenever you're filling any tray or pot, just give it a bang like this, and it's going to allow all the air pockets within the soil to disappear. It allows the soil to settle much better. Now I'm going to be planting 3 seeds in each pot, and we're going to plant them at 1cm deep. So I'm just going to make a little hole here with my pen. I've lost my dibber, I've no idea where it is. Just going to make little holes here. And this is going to allow enough space between each seedling for the plants to start taking up space, roots, nutrients, water, all of those things. Now I've got my seeds. Oh, they smell like chocolate. Am I the only one that... Weird. So I'm just going to pour some out into my hand, not too many, because I only need 12 right now. Look at these beautiful earthy tones. Look, I've just found this one here, and it looks quite small. I'm actually going to put that to the side. I'm not necessarily not going to sow it, but I want to sow the stronger, healthier looking seeds first, and then we'll see if I've got space. Some people do nick the sweet pea seeds with a knife. This helps with germination. I don't trust myself enough, so I'm just going to leave it. And then you just pop 1 seed per hole. I also never close over the holes until I've sown everything, because sometimes I get confused when you're sowing loads of seeds. And sometimes the holes can be really dark and you can't see if you've sown a seed, so you sow too many. So I always leave them open just so I can have a little look inside. And then we just cover them over. Absolutely gorgeous, right? So I'm labeling my sweet peas now. And I'm actually going to be placing these onto the balcony. I'm going to be putting them into one of my mini DIY greenhouses. Before that though, I'll give them a beautiful big drink. I want all the soil to be moist, water coming out at the bottom. Germination temperatures for sweet peas is around 15 degrees Celsius, and germination time can take anything between 2 to 3 weeks. Once we start to see our seedlings emerge and even some foliage coming out the bottom, that means it is time to pot them on. Hopefully that will coincide with the warmer weather. Right now anything is possible though. So that's how you sow sweet peas into small pots. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and you would like to support the channel, subscribe. I will be doing a transplanting video. If you're interested, keep an eye out for that. I hope you're all staying safe and well. Send you all my good wishes, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.